Okay, today I'm going to show you how to download Xcode. So just go to search bar and Spotlight search. Type Xcode, alright? And then you will see the website developer.apple.com Xcode. Double click and open it. Xcode, and on the top right corner you will see download Xcode betas, just Xcode, not beta. Alright, and then this is App Store and download Xcode, the developer tools. I didn't understand why the point is too low, 3.1, but this is the software that we are going to code for iPhone and Apple devices. Let me read my fingerprint and then it's all set. It's now downloading. 2 minutes, 1 minute, 2 seconds. Okay, it's quite fast. So this is the code area that Xcode offers all the tools you need to craft great applications, for example, iPhone, iPad, Apple TV, Apple Watch, Apple Vision Pro, and Mac. It enables a unified workflow that spans from the earliest stages of app development to testing, debugging, optimization, and app distribution to testers and users. And with the Swift programming language, Xcode makes developing apps easy and fun, but it's too low. You see, people are not satisfied a lot. It says great product, but suggestions. I've been using Xcode for the past several years. I want to leave a comment that this is a great product. All right. And the size is 3 GB. See, there is Apple incorporation. All right. And also for more iMovie, Keynote, numbers, and pages available. Let me see. It's now downloading the software to my MacBook Air. I want to develop some applications where using Xcode and Swift language. Maybe I can use Objective-C, but it's okay. So what else we can download? Let me see the ratings. Let's see all ratings and sort by most critical. All right. Says would not use it if I didn't have to. I despise the fact that in order to publish anything for iOS or any Apple operating systems, it has to be built through Xcode. It's not too bad of a process when it works, but for me it has always been a 50 out of 50 with some weird issue that would only ever happen with Xcode. The issues never have straightforward fixes either. I have been attempting to push a fix for an app and okay, where did I left myself? I've been attempting to push a fix for an app and the build keeps failing because the sign-in isn't set up even though it is. I tried every straightforward solution, deleted and reinstalled everything, and still just does not work for seemingly no reason. If there are options around Xcode, I would recommend them. Okay, it's not clear, so it's not so helpful, but let me see. The most buggy integrated development environment ever. Xcode is ridiculously buggy and gets worse with each release. Apple doesn't care because developers are stuck with it. There is no alternative, you say. And what I discovered is that we've got Android Studio, but this is not an Apple Studio. It's Xcode. So why did it be called as X? So it's not a Twitter, formerly X. So this depressing when your livelihood depends on such piece of junk. It's like your goal to make life of every daily user a nightmare. All right. So people couldn't find anything much better. So we have got an interface that's showing an animation of an iPhone, and this is the code structure, some labels, etc. All right, Xcode has just been ready. Okay, Xcode developer tools and open. Meanwhile, we've got a new shortcut here. I would like to options keep in dock. All right. And then Xcode is here. I want to move Xcode right here because I will frequently use it. All right, Xcode, I agree. The password, right. Now Xcode version 16.2. Select the components you want to get started with. So the platform supports macOS as built-in. I would like to use iOS, but not the rest. Predictive code completion model is alright. Download and install. So installing system components will take some time. And where's a notification says multiple extensions added. Xcode added multiple extensions. You can manage extensions in login items and extensions area, and also Xcode notifications may include alerts, sounds, and icon badges. It's okay. So allow notifications with alerts of Xcode that I will set. And it's now downloading. You see iOS 18.3.1 simulator and the predictive code completion model. This should be amazing for us to use actually. And it says what's new in Xcode. Xcode Assistant Swift 6 previews, build and diagnostic. Complete feature list is also available. Let me check. Oh, it's open a new browser. All right. Continue. All right, so this is Xcode. The first page, it says create new project, clone Git repository, and open existing project. I will definitely create a new folder to proceed from now on. In order to do that, let me minimize this and let's go to my desktop. This is my folder with F, and I will now create a new folder. I will call it as, okay, Xcode Studio projects. So this will be my projects. All right. So Xcode Studio projects is now available here. And let me create a new project. And it's now asking me choose a template for your new project, multi-platform, iOS, macOS, watchOS, tvOS, visionOS, driver kit, other. I will choose iOS, and it's still downloading iOS 18.2, but it's okay. I will create an application app and game, augmented reality. Let me check what else do we have. Safari extension app is interesting. Framework, static library, metal library. I will choose app. Framework, it's okay. I didn't choose anything about it. And product name, I will do a button because I will test a button. So this will be like a hello world kind of thing. But let me type it as hello world. Okay, because this is my really first time of the first things first. Organization identifier, it's okay. Your app company, hello world. What's my company? It's just my name is Bayolal, but maybe just I couldn't decide. Your company, just company, because I don't have any company. I don't know the name. Interface is Swift UI or storyboard. I will choose Swift UI, and language is only can be Swift UI. What happens if I choose storyboard? Can it be different? Yes, it's now Objective-C. So Objective-C is okay, and Swift is also okay, because I don't know these two of the languages. I don't have any experience in the past before. But to be honest, I think Swift UI will be much easier for me to use. But in the past, I came across with Objective-C books and other things that I know, but I think Swift will perform much better. Well, there should be some cons and pros available as well, but let me proceed with Swift. Testing system is Xcode test for unit and UI test. Unit test is alright actually. Swift testing with XC test, yeah, no, I will choose this one. Well, Swift, it should be Swift testing with XC test, UI test, okay. Storage is Swift data, core data, none. None. All right, it's now verifying iOS simulation runtime, and it says download completed iOS 18.3 and 1 simulation. Perfect. And let's hit next. Okay, it will take a while. So we have got the folder F, Xcode Studio projects, and over here, Let me create a new folder. Yeah, it will take a time. It's downloading. I cannot click anymore. Let me go and do that on my own. Let me open downloads and then desktop, my F folder, Xcode, Hello World. Hello World is here actually. So yeah, it worked. You see? Oh, this is my first time of the course. Git repository creation failed. I'll cancel. I don't have any account yet. Says device support for iPhone 16e, iPad Air. This component adds support for iPhone 16e and iPad Air M3 and iPad A16 is okay. So it says content view.swift hello world created by myself and import Swift UI. Struct is content view var body some view vs tag image system name globe image scale large tint hello world padding preview content view, and it's now about to load. What do we have by the code? And over here, this is project view, hello world, preview content, assets, content. Well, to be honest, as being an Android developer, this is very similar with Android view, but it's all right. And there's a selection with automatic iPhone 16 Pro. All right, I prefer the latest one currently. And yeah, this is content view, hello world folder, content view, no selection. When I select something, the text will appear. Text is hello world. So we've got a preview content and preview assets. I don't have any preview assets. It's all good and all fine. Content view and hello world app. Okay, and this is hello world app. So I didn't code anything. It just all came as is. All right, if it's available kind of things. All right, cool. And we've got the play button here. Whenever I click it, it says build succeeded. Let me close these tabs. Empty catalog insert. No, okay. Hello world app. I'm still waiting the phone actually, where it can be seen. Okay, replace hello, replace. Okay, build succeeded. Installing. Okay, how can I see the? Just stop it and run it. All right. So, do you know how can we see the iPhone interface? And also we have got several selection here. iPhone Pro 16, Pro Max, launching hello world. All right. Okay, so this is the progress bar. Actually, I was missing. What it says, build, dismiss this one. Okay, so where's my phone? I want to see the phone. Let's run again. Replace. Okay, replace. Okay, it says building, launching, hello world, attaching to hello world on iPhone 16 Pro, waiting to attach. Okay, hello world. Okay, where's the phone? All right, it came. Yeah, it came already. We can now close this one. We can move this one and this one to the left. All right, it should be much better. Okay, on the right side, you can see my visual phone. And on the left, you can see the developer here. We can minimize this one. All right, it says, hello world with the world icon. I didn't know that we have a world icon here. So content view, let me check the content view. And lower this one. Okay, so, all right, this is globe. That globe appeared here. So there's an image system name. And that content view, okay, that content view can be moved on to somewhere else, but my screen is too small. Okay, it should be much better now. We can, if we can actually, move it to the right. Content view, how can we do that? Is this one? No. I want to divide my screen, but anyway, not this one. Okay. All right. Anyways, we have got new and Hello World application within 15 minutes that you may see. We just downloaded the Xcode, and I will create a new thing. So on the top of the screen, you can see Xcode file, new, and all the menu items, edit, view, find, navigate, editor, and products, run, analyze, build for, running, testing, profiling, build, clean build folder, stop, and yeah, debug, integrate, window, and help. All right, that's a quick video. Don't forget to like this video. Thank you, and bye bye.